Hello, in front of me I've got Honor 50. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's enter settings. Go to biometrics and password, enter lock screen password, and as you can see right here, we've got first type of lock screen, which is 6-digit PIN. So let's set it. And use it to unlock the phone. Now, we can change lock screen password and select between 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, pattern and password. Let's skip 4-digit and custom PIN because basically they are the same as this 6-digit but with different length. And let's go to password. Now, we can select the last available lock screen password, which is pattern. So draw your pattern. And use it to unlock the phone. Now, if it's done, we can go to fingerprint ID. Select to unlock device and add fingerprint. Scan your fingerprint multiple times. And use it to unlock the phone. And the last way to unlock the phone is face recognition. Scan your face in this area to use it later. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.